Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady, a channel that offers information related to organization, DIYs, and life hacks. And you are going to see a doozy today because we're going to offer tips on how to deodorize your shoes. Yeah, your shoes. So if you're interested, keep watching. And if you see anything you like, a thumbs up and subscribe below. So with that said, we're going to get this ball rolling and we're going to knock it out of the park. Welcome back my YouTube friends, and as promised in the introduction, we stated that we're going to give you a couple of ways to minimize odor coming from your shoes, particularly tennis shoes. You know how our feet sweat in our sneakers, and our dress shoes as well. So anytime your foot is enclosed in a shoe and you're walking all day and you're moving around, and you know it's going to get a little smelly. So you can always wash your feet because we're always jumping in the shower and doing things, getting pedicures. So our feet always get access to a good old soap and water. But I couldn't stick these in a washing machine and wash them. So you can clean the outside, but that inside is where the problem lies. I have two suggestions. One is you can use those perfume samples that you get in the mail sometimes, or you can go to a store like Ulta or Sephora and they have perfume samples all the time. Well, I usually cut out those perfume samples and I just stick it in my shoe and I just let it sit there until I'm ready to wear the shoe again. Also, let me give you another cool way that you can get that odor out of those shoes. Any dryer sheet, and I have one right here. You can take it, you can either slip the entire sheet into the shoe, but what I usually do is I take and cut the dryer sheet in half, and they're pretty easy to cut. I just cut that dryer sheet in half, and after I cut it in half, I stick one half in one shoe, and then of course I stick the other half in the other shoe. And you can do the same for your enclosed dress shoes. Typically stores like Sephora, Ulta, you can go to Belk, Dillard's, and they usually give you these little swabs, perfume swabs or samples that you can spray your cologne on to test it out to see if it's something that you like. Well, don't get rid of this. Bring it home and guess what? Stick it inside of your shoe and just let it stay there until you are ready to wear the shoe. Now that tag that I just stuck in the shoe, eventually the fragrance is going to wear off. But you can respray this with your favorite fragrance and put it back in the shoe. How cool is that? Pretty darn cool. Also, one last tip. Sometimes with my sneakers, I don't always take the dryer sheet out. I usually leave the dryer sheet in my shoe until even when I wear it, when I'm ready to wear it, because it's made of a soft material that's softer than a sock actually. And you just leave it in your shoe, and not only is it refreshing your shoe, but it is also refreshing that foot. So that's a cool hack. If you like to try it, hey, do it. If you like it, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.